Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm sharing with you a very simple remedy to treat your stretch marks. So what does stretch marks means? Stretch marks is a type of scar that develops when our skin stretches or shrink quickly. This used to be happen mostly in case of pregnancy or obesity. So the ingredient you will gonna need to treat your stretch marks is some aloe vera gel, coconut oil, and some vitamin E capsule. This is the simplest remedy I'm telling you. All you need to mix 1 spoon coconut oil, 1 spoon aloe vera gel. That means the ratio of aloe vera gel and coconut oil is 1 is to 1. And next you need to add 2 vitamin E capsules. So that means you need 1 vitamin E capsule per spoon. And yes, you need lots of vitamin E capsule in this remedy. If you don't have capsule, then you can use vitamin E oil too, but please use good brand of that. And whatever aloe vera gel you are using, it should be of good brand. And if you have natural homemade aloe vera gel, that is fantastic. So apply this mixture, mix all the ingredients really well. Next, apply this mixture on your stretch marks twice a day, especially at bedtime, and just leave on your body on affected area. And yes, keep doing this at least for 1 month. After 1 month you will start getting result, and in 2 to 3 months your stretch marks will fade away. So I hope you have enjoyed this video and find it helpful. And if you wanted to know more ingredients or home remedies to treat your stretch mark, then you can leave your query in comment. I will surely get back to you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share my video. Till the next time, have a very nice day. Bye bye.